Bakit nga ba may mga RC na ilang libo lang ang presyo at meron namang RC na kasing mahal ng motorsiklo? Kung bago ka sa RC, this is very confusing. Yan din ang pinakamalaking dahilan kung bakit maraming sumusuko agad sa hobby na to. Yan din ang dahilan kung bakit masama ang tingin ng girlfriend mo or ng misis mo sa'yo. Paliwanag natin ng malinaw kung ano ba talaga ang RC at kung bakit seryoso ang mga tao sa hobby na to. RC stands for radio control. Ibig sabihin, kinokontrol natin ang model using the radio transmitter wirelessly. When you turn the steering wheel or pull the trigger, the signal is sent to the model almost instantly. That signal tells exactly what the model should do, either turn the steering wheel or do the throttle. But RC is more than just making a small car move. RC is more focused on the actual driving skill, similar to a real car. Importante din ang technical setup mo sa model mo. That way, you need to understand how things work mechanically in your model. And kapag may nasira, dito ka matututong mag-repair. Ito ang main reason kung bakit nakaka-addict ang RC. Alam mo ba na maraming types of RC available? Ang pinaka-basic ay ang RC cars. Ito rin ang pinakamadaling to get into kasi siya ang pinaka-simpleng RC. RC cars and trucks ang pinaka-popular na RC. Ito rin kasi ang pinaka-available and at pinakamadaling i-set up and control. Similar kasi siya sa normal everyday cars na nakikita natin on the road and ginagamit natin. RC crawlers, on the other hand, similar to what I'm holding, focuses more on technical. Mas technical, kailangan matutunan mo yung setups, suspension technology, wheel traction, compounds na gamit mo, at marami pang ibang aspects of RC crawling. Objective kasi ng RC crawlers is to go over obstacles. So all of those things, you need to understand. Meron din tayong RC boats. I don't have one, unfortunately. These were designed to actually go on water. Of course, boat eh. Meron din tayong RC planes and RC drones that focuses more on flying. Drones and airplanes are actually the most complicated RCs. RC cars focuses on 2 channels only. Controls for the steering and your throttle. RC drones focuses on the actual technical setup that you put into the drone and the ability to control more than 4 channels. Drones are the topic for an entirely new video because it's also one of my hobbies. The complication with RC, yan actually ang nagbuhook sa tao. Most of the beginners actually start with RC cars and eventually progress on to different things. Pero just remember that RC is not all about going fast or even going far. Laging tanong kasi ng mga bata, Kuya, gaano kalayo ba inaabot niyan? Kuya, gaano kabilis ba yan? That's the basic question that you get asked. But it's really not about just going fast or going far. It's how you get there and understanding how you can get there. It's more fun to have a slow RC that you understand what it is doing rather than a fast RC that you have no control whatsoever. RC is a hobby that you grow on your own pace. Nagmamaneho ka, may nasira, inayos mo, natuto ka. That's the learning process in RC. It doesn't matter what type of RC, the process is the same. Small, minute improvements, you see results. That's why the RC hobby is also very satisfying and fulfilling. The learning process is what keeps people in this hobby. Sa susunod na video, ipaliwanag natin ng RC terminologies. Napaka-importante nito, lalo na kung bibili ka na ng first RC mo. Pero teka, laro muna ako.